इसकी तो और भी ज्यादा चलती है।
पता नहीं क्यों चलती है।
तेरे को क्या लगता है कहाँ से बनानी चाहिए? आधी आधी वाली एक वहाँ से स्टार्टिंग से यहाँ की अरे कल मेरी है ना मैंने ऐसे चौक पर पूरा चौक से तो बाद में ले लूँगा या वहीं से स्टार्टिंग यार मेरे से नहीं आ रहा को। मैं वैसे पता है आपको ना एनवेलप्स भी अपने पास रखने चाहिए।
लेहर्ट्स का स्टॉक नहीं हमारे पास।
पहले से निकाल के दे देना चाहिए तो मैनेज करना
इरिटेटिंग होता है ये।
के काम में यहाँ दिमाग लगाना पड़ता है।
कॉर्पोरेट्स में ये सब चीजें ना बहुत ज्यादा
In short.
Hi students, good afternoon. So our guest
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, our guest faculty would be joining shortly. I'll just take him in the meeting and I'll just introduce them. We will have to wait for him, right? Okay, so we have the HR manager of Tenhard India Private Limited, Mr. Kautuk Raj.
Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon, sir. How are you?
I'm good. I was just busy in another meeting. I just rescheduled everything.
No problem,
Yeah.
sir. No problem.
So how many students are expected to join?
We are expecting like 20 students more at least. Right now we have 9 students with us, apart from both of us. So shall I make you the host of the meeting?
No, it's your call. I'm fine with anything. It's okay. All I need is to deliver my words. It's fine.
All right. Okay, sir. So then you may proceed. Students, we have Mr. Kautuk with us, as I have already informed you guys. and he will be taking over the session further. So whatever queries you guys have, you can ask maybe later on, or maybe there and then by raising the hands. And you can unmute yourself and you can then ask the question once if you get go from him. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks, Ifat. Okay.
Thank you.
So good afternoon, everyone. Guys, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.
Okay. So I know your reaction behind the camera is that you must be expecting someone of an old age of around mid-30s or mid-40s, but you are getting a person in front of you who's just 25 years old. So
I was also
that's
wondering the
that's
same.
an that's an achievement for me as well, and
That's a
that
great
should be
achievement.
inspiration for most of them. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So if have this GD been circulated amongst the student? Like, do they have the overview? I need to explain in depth.
No, sir, they don't have the overview at all. Everything needs to be explained.
Okay. So first of all, I would like to represent myself on the behalf of Tenhard India Private Limited, the only first Indian company that has a platform where you get access to magazines, novels, newspapers, and also you get an opportunity to do blogging as well. So in India, we don't have any competitor of us as such for now. This is the very first company that was, you could say, that was born back when everything was going at a shutdown phase. That was last year in the lockdown, where whole India, or you could say the whole world, was facing a pandemic, where everyone was going in depth. We did born and we took an inclined flight. So yeah, that's an achievement for me and my team as well. And many in the start we had difficulties, like difficulties to generate leads, asking colleges to visit ours, giving them an opportunity to learn what we learned through our hard days. And in present, we have IIMs also. We have Amity, we have Symbiosis, we have other renowned colleges. And in our working team also, we have students from these colleges. PPOs who have been offered to the one recently, I guess day before yesterday, 6 LPA PPOs offered to a student from Amity, Mumbai. So that person also joined as an intern, and he literally he amazed us by his works. Like बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया उसने. And at the very same moment, at the end of completion of his internship, we did provide him the PPO, and he was very much happy. So basically, people there are who have different like thoughts. सबकी अलग अलग सोच होती है. So a person thinks that a startup is a mess, but if you'll ask me, a startup is a place where you get exposure of literally everything. Like it's like you could say it's very what in future, like down the lane after 10 or 15 years, if you get to learn something good from here. So you may at least tell someone that I was in a company that was just in its beginning phase, and when I did join that company, I did learn a lot. Because startup में आपको सीखने को बहुत मिलता है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा. Because this is a completely fresh pattern, fresh platform where you learn as we are learning. I can't say that I am well groomed or well educated or something like that. All I'll say is I have an experience. Arjun, please, mic off. Yeah, thank you. Okay. So, yeah, sorry, the rhythm got broke. Okay, I'll start it over again. So basically, what I'll not take much of a time, but as for now, Tenhard India is a company where you get uh, like a consolidated platform that under one umbrella you get magazines, you get novels, you get newspapers, you get like blogging as well, जैसा कि मैंने बताया. So what we have for you is experience to learn, experience to share, and I guess this is a souvenir time for you. If these are students of first year, second year, third year?
So these are final year students, third year students, graduation BBA.
Okay, third year students. And what's the strength in the specialization most here? Is it HR, marketing, or sales?
It's a mix, everything. So they like all the students are there of all the
Okay,
stream.
everything.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so I don't know that your professor, your esteemed teachers have taught you this or not, but what I have learned through my experience is that if a person is in any stream, like he's HR, operation, analytics, marketing, sales, any stream, they need to learn how to grow, and above that, they need to have a sales ability also in them. Like जब sales का नाम आता है ना, तो most of us are like, what is this sales? It's like working under pressure, completing targets. What are we getting from it? But if a person who takes interest in sales, he or she might not get a good salary, but he or she might get a good experience, and that experience is his or her verbal communication. The moment you start molding words from A to Z and framing it in the best possible way, and the way you could like influence someone by your words, that's the only key point that I feel a person could like embed in himself or herself through sales. So basically, talking about 10 Hard India, we are currently having 90K plus subscribers. We are almost to hit a million, and that will be pretty very soon, hopefully. And within this short period of time, we did face a lot of difficulties. Like just like a newborn baby who tries to walk, he fumbles, he walks, he fumbles, and then he finally, like in his rhythm, he could run as well when he becomes an adult. So what I feel like, I work day and night in this company. I come around 8 a.m. and I go back around 9:30. So if you want to succeed in your life, for the very starting few years when the company or your job is need to be established, or when you're about to learn something, what I'll share with you is, please, like, be sleep deprived. Starting in the start, it would be very difficult, but on the later part, you'll be get used to it. And talking about the job profile, or you could say the internship profile that you guys will be offered, uh, is it life project or is it internship that they were being offered, JD for?
So it's JD actually was not received from
Mhm.
Himanshi yet to me. So she was there. She was like that. Mr. Raj Singh would be explaining all these things. What exactly it would be. So we don't have
Okay.
much
So,
detail about
so
this.
I guess this is the final year. Just a second.
So what would be your preference? We can take it forward.
Okay, so sorry. So it's basically a life project. I just confirmed with her. So in life project, it's a 15 to 20 days tenure. Okay, because we don't want it to drag it down the lane. So we just wanted a short and crisp time limit where you get to learn everything, where you'll be having sales experience, you'll having marketing experience, you'll having, you could say, an exposure to research work, and also HR and other analytics. Talking
So the
about the
people would
benefits
be.
that you'll get here.
Sir, just sorry to interrupt you. These students would be required to be there in your organization for 15 to 20 days to do this project, or how will it be?
Look, we are very open culture. We do have very open culture. Like after this meeting gets I'll show you my office as well. So people who wants to come here and work are most welcome. If they want to do work from home, like good for them as well. And this life project is completely like we could mold it anytime according to the benefit of student. For an example, if they are having classes till 4 or 5, we could have the live project part on the later, like we could start it from 6 to 9, or we could end it in an hour or half an hour. So basically in the start they would be told what to do. Then there are certain time limits, like for an example today is 21, if they'll start from 23, so 23 to 28 will be a 5 days time limit for a different section. Might be it could be sales, might be it could be marketing, might be it could be HR, research, anything. That
Okay.
depends on my team how they mold it.
Okay.
So once a student completes the target, he or she will be promoted to the next step. If in case, like for an example, a student need to do a sale of around 10,000 rupees in 5 days. If he or she somehow manages only 6,000 rupees, yeah, only 4,000 rupees, and we do see his or her efforts, because what I feel like, I have experienced a lot of people. So when a person delivers his or her saying what he or she really do or have done in these working days, I could find out who is lying and who is saying truth. That comes from experience. And even they'll get to learn how this could be found out in a person. So they'll also experience this all. They'll also get to learn that what are the points that we look in a person when he or she is explaining something.
Hmm.
So after that, after the completion of the first step, they will be moved on to the second step in case the target is not fulfilled. So what we'll do is we'll see that the person has really tried or not. And if we don't see, like we have people, there were interns also who have been dropped down the interviews, and even though been qualified in the internship or life project, they have been dropped off. And on the later part, when their fellow mates were doing good, when they had a new job profile, when they had a new sense of learning, where they have been allotted the work that what a manager does, so that person also get influenced by it, and in the very next day he completed all of his target and he came side by side to that person. So I won't show you the last process of this phase, but I'll obviously, like, I could guarantee you this, that this would be like a breathtaking experience that you would share in the later part of your life. Because who loves pizza over here? Raise your hands. Guys, who loves pizza over here? Please raise your hands. Even I love. I'll raise my hand too. Okay. So there are quite few. Okay, that's good. Okay. So for an example, if Domino's have a different, like you could say, a different cuisine been like that they implemented in their, you could say, order list. Okay. So in that case, if they launch a teaser and they only show a glimpse what it would have, what it would be having, and they do give a tentative date that on this date this pizza would be launched, so everyone would be excited, unless and until they don't give a spoiler. So that's why I don't want to be a spoiler. And one more key point that I want everyone you to remember is, if you perform really well, like really well, what I can guarantee you is not only you would get a completion certificate, but also you would get an appreciation certificate as well. And you'll feel like that appreciation certificate is just a piece of paper, but let me be very clear that every company has interns under them and they know how life project works. So if your first achievement that you completed the life project, that is much more than anything, that will give you a remark. And if you get an appreciation certificate as well, they would clearly pick you up from the rest of the people, because they know that in 15 to 20 days you have achieved the target that a person achieves in an internship and in the duration of 60 days. So simply you are showing how much work efficient you are and how much you are dedicated to your work. And the job profiles that we created for you all is basically like anything. It could be anything. And in that, what experience that you will get is, I won't tell that, but literally I want at least not 21 of you, excuse me, yeah, not 21 of you, but at least I want 15 of you being my shadow and working with me as well. Because if we see a potential student, like for an example, Ankit is a very potential student, I found out on the later part. So if someday I do have a very much workload with me, what I'll do is I'll share my work with Ankit, so you are getting experience of what a manager does as well. And if there is any questions, please come forward and you may ask. Guys, you may lower your hands. I'll get you a pizza if you'll perform good. Any questions? Sohit, do you have a question? Guys, if you could please pause your messages that you're sending in the background and could concentrate for a while. If you want to ask some questions, please come forward. And if there is nothing to ask, then I'll feel like I didn't explain well. So I'll feel bad for it.
Guys, please go ahead, ask your questions and everything.
Hello.
Yes, Sohit.
Yes, Sohit.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hi.
Sohit
Good
here.
afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Sohit. How are you?
Sir, fine. So I want to ask one thing, that is there is any compulsion to choose good communication skill while doing marketing?
Sohit,
Because digital marketing, I don't think so.
digital marketing. Sohit, what do you understand by digital marketing?
So promoting our products online at various like Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook.
That's not what a digital marketer do, brother. You also need to create contents. You also need to create backlinks. You also need to create ads for your company so that you get a high D and a high PA. I hope so you're getting what's D and
Yes,
P and
yes, yes,
backlinks.
yes. Yes, sir, I know.
So if you don't have a good communication skills, Sohit, how would you like create an ad for your company? So good communication skill is important. It's very important.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. And if anyone is still thinking that for the past 30 or 35 minutes I just baffled anything, so you won't understand it until unless you reach at this position. Might be someday that today is the day that you are feeling that I just bored you guys, which I know most of you are feeling because I have also been through that phase. हमारे भी जब colleges होते थे, then I also used to be like Zoom login कर दिया कभी हुआ तो, and I was just relaxing back, listening to music. So I know, but still, I would appreciate if someone comes forward and ask if anything he or she wants to.
Please go ahead, students. Please ask that what exactly you're supposed to do. What is everything clear to everyone? That what exactly would you be doing and how will it be taking place in future? What exactly will be the expectations of the company from you? You guys will have to give me your names if you are interested for Ten Heart to go for a live project. So if you have any related queries, please ask. This is the time.
Like before sitting into final placements or getting a PPF from here, if you want to really know how a corporate culture works and feels like within 15 days, then you are most welcome. Because as I told you, if you perform good, I'll share my work with you as well. I'll teach you on a personal level how to do it. How to like obviously how to impress your HR or how to survive in an environment where you have a group of 15 and 10 people are saying bad about you. So you can't leave the group, but you still need to work with them. So might be possible now you don't understand, but on the later part might be someday that you face this situation and you may recall my words that I said that day.
Sir, I want to ask one thing.
Yes, please.
सर जैसे मतलब अभी तो हमें मतलब पता नहीं है कि हम कौन सी फील्ड में ज्यादा बेटर है, मतलब कि मार्केटिंग में, सेल्स में, मतलब कुछ नॉलेज ही नहीं है अभी तो थियोरेटिकल नॉलेज लिया मतलब। सो सर हमें मतलब ये कैसे पता पड़ेगा कि यहाँ इस फील्ड में हम कुछ कुछ कर सकते हैं या फिर ये फील्ड है जो अपने लिए मतलब बनी हुई है।
सोहित, तुम्हें तीखा पसंद है या मीठा पसंद है?
सर दोनों,
दोनों
लेकिन
पसंद है ना?
मीठा ज्यादा पसंद।
मीठा ज्यादा पसंद है ना? तो सोहित, आप मुझे एक बात बताओ, आपको बचपन से ही पता था कि आपको मीठा पसंद है?
नो सर।
आपने डिशेस टेस्ट की, कभी रबड़ी खाई होगी, कभी कलाकंद खाया होगा, कभी गुलाब जामुन खाए होंगे, तभी तो पता लगा ना?
यस सर, यस सर।
So unless and until you won't walk into this world barehanded and barefoot, how would you take the seekings what you really want from it? आप सीखोगे, गिरोगे, ह्यूमिलिएट भी होगे, then you'll realize what your niche is. And Sohit, not only Sohit, this is a free piece of advice for the rest 19 present over here. Working in a corporate world, if the work that you are doing, आपको उसमें मजा आने लगा है, तो that's an alarming situation for you. क्योंकि अगर आपको उस काम में मजा आ रहा है, तो वो काम को आप अच्छे से सीख चुके हैं. Then switch to something else more challenging to you. I hope so everyone is getting it. Any more further questions, or is it only Sohit who is keenly interested? And if you don't know, let me tell you this, that in case you perform not extraordinary, you perform stupendously well, there's a, you could say there's a CEO meet every year. Every year, there's a CEO meet of corporate world. And if your name is recommended by a CEO, trust me, आपकी जब ड्राइव इन कैंपस प्लेसमेंट्स होगी ना, उस टाइम पे आपकी इंटरव्यू भी नहीं ली जाएगी, सीधे दैट कंपनी विल कम, provide your name to your college and straight away give you a placement. But that's okay. If you want LP of 3 or 4 lakhs, then neither Ifat could help you nor I could help you. And to be very honest, I am being very, very polite to you guys. My seniors and my mentors were way too harsh on me. Way too harsh. They would straight away say onto my face कि तुझे बात करने की तमीज नहीं, तुझे तो कोई 10 रुपए की नौकरी नहीं देगा. So until and unless you don't feel this humiliation, I don't think so you'll get above anything. Because at the age of 25, whenever I am demotivated now, I feel like that in my life I have achieved a lot, but I need to walk a mile ago. Because at the age of 25, if you are being a HR manager, that I feel like I do clap for myself, and I'm very self-obsessed. Because to be very honest, I'm not feeling good. If I'm totally not feeling good. I expected reply from students, but I don't know why they're not responding. Might be possible they are getting bored of me or something else, or they don't want to in it, but still they were compelled by their peers so that they're attending the Zoom session.
I am also
So
not
that's okay.
understanding
So
what
I do
is wrong
motivate
with
myself
them.
like this.
Guys,
It's
do
okay. It's
you
okay.
have any
No issue.
queries further, or should we end the session now without wasting time of him? And you also would not want to waste your time. And if you're not interested, please let us know. We can end up the session now. This is done from our end, and we are waiting for you guys to give your names or to ask the queries or on all those registrations and everything. We were just discussing that you guys over this meeting only would be giving your names for the registration if you're interested for this project. Nobody is even coming up for the questions. There are only two things: either you have not got anything whatever has been discussed yet, or you have got everything, or you've understood each and everything and there is no doubt at all. There are only two situations if you guys are not asking any questions, any queries. So what should we understand?
Hello.
Yes, Ritik.
Yes, sir.
Ritik.
सर रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस के बारे में पूछना चाहूँगा कुछ.
क्या रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस रहते?
लाइक एनी इंटरव्यूज टाइप इंटर्नशिप के लिए.
इंटरव्यूज टाइप समझा नहीं मैं. आपकी इंटरव्यूज अभी तक हुई नहीं है ना?
सर आपके साथ इंटर्नशिप के लिए अप्लाई करने के लिए.
तो अगर आपको इस कंपनी के साथ अप्लाई करना है, तो अपना नाम इफ़त को दे सकते हैं, एंड शी विल प्रोवाइड माय एचआर टीम दिस एंड दे विल लुक फॉर इट.
ओके सर.
Sir, basically, what will
Yeah.
be the procedure? Like, what will be our eligibility for this?
Eligibility for this is you should be more than 10 years old. Are you?
Obviously, sir, we are. I would just want to
So,
ask that. Like.
so you are eligible.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Look, in this company, there are students from BTech, BA, BBA, MBA, PGDM, and there are students from IT as well. And like everyone had a dream to go into IIM. ठीक है, हर किसी का dream होता है. So here you will get exposure to work with them as well. So all I could offer you is मैं आपकी help करना चाहता हूँ. But unless and until you are not ready to get to it, obviously I also can't do anything.
Are you guys ready to take
Sir,
up this
but
opportunity? If you guys are interested,
Yes.
please give me your name right after this meeting in the group, WhatsApp group. Just give me your name that I'm interested to go for the 10 hard, and then I'll coordinate with the team over there and we can take it forward. Still, we have 10 minutes, 9 minutes. If you have any other questions, please come up. Everyone, Ankit, Arjun, Ashish, Bhanu, Himanshu, whosoever are the attendees of this meeting, please come up with the questions. Hurry up.
Ma'am, I am clear from my side.
Okay, thanks.
sir,
So
what will
Thank
be the
you.
location? Hello?
Location will be work from home, and if you want to work from office, it will be Noida Sector 62.
And working hours?
It depends. It's flexible. Might be there some days where there are 3 hours, 4 hours. That depends on process to process. If you are into sales process, there will be no limit of working. All you need is to generate a given target of the revenue, and you'll be provided incentives for it also. The amount of generated revenue, you will get a 5% of it.
okay. So, sir, could you please elaborate more about the product, that what exactly would they be, would that be a product or a service they would be selling online or whatever way?
Way that you get every field of this corporate world.
यार
Where we have our magazines being published, and it's also running good.
We have to sell online.
Look, you will be told by our team. Our team also will coordinate with you. So yeah, it would be an online subscription, some kind of that. That would be the sales part. But apart from that, there are other job roles which I don't want to disclose as for now, because starting में अगर किसी चीज की बुरी image बनती है, and on the later part we don't expect from it and we get much more than we expected, that gives a sigh feeling. So I want you to feel that after struggling a lot. Starting में सब अच्छा बता दूंगा तो फिर मजा ही नहीं आएगा ना. At least there should be something that इसके बाद क्या. So yeah, that should be there. Okay.
Sir, what's the amount your company paid us? Is on depends on salary basis or target achieve basis?
राखी, थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने बताया था ये चीज़ कि आप जितना भी रेवेन्यू जनरेट करोगे आपको उसका 5% मिलेगा. एंड अगर आप बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हो तो यू विल गेट बोनसेस एज वेल, बट दैट विल बी इन द एंड ऑफ दिस लाइफ प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीशन व्हेन यू सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीट इट. ठीक है?
Okay, thank you, sir.
या
So, hello. Sir, in how many days we have to complete this live project?
15 to 20 days, I guess.
15 to 20 days.
Yes. Okay, I guess if there are no further more questions, I have a meeting to attend. So I'll rush.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you for your time.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. It was really an experience that I would remember. Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you. I'll just get the
Oh, yeah.
name of the.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, sir. You please go ahead. Thank you.
Okay.
I'll get
Thank you,
with the
guys.
names. Yeah, thank
Thank
you.
you for listening me patiently.